Hello, let's check how big is the iPhone 15 Plus. So I'm on the official website of the Apple, and here I have the basic information about the size. So here we have the size and also the display size. So it's almost 6.7 inch. And we can also check the sizes if it is correct. So I mean, it's definitely correct, but let's just check it out. So let's go and check how long it is. And on this website it's 16.1 centimeters. And it actually is. And here we've got like 7.7 or 8. Yeah, it's 7.8, and it's also correct. Yeah, so that's the size of the iPhone if you want to take a look for the iPhone 15 comparison. So that's the sizes, and that's how it looks in my hand. So when I hold it like that, I can easily reach the bottom bar, but definitely I cannot reach the upper section of the screen. I can grab this power button, but if I want to open, this control center, I have to just move a little bit lower iPhone in my hand. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.